area of DF 1/2 of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. మనకి డి పాయింట్స్ డి పాయింట్స్ 1,0, ఈ మిడ్ పాయింట్ 1,2, F mid point 0,1. Now substitute these values in this equation. x1 1, y2 is the 2 minus y3 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 0 minus y1 0, y3 1 plus x3 0 into y1 0 minus y2 2, 1/2 into 1 of 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 of 1 plus 0, 1/2 into 2, that equal to 1 square units. So triangle area ABC is to triangle DEF equal to 4:1.